For the price of a magazine, subscribe to The Guitar Channel to access the full videos. Welcome to The Guitar Channel. I am super happy to welcome you a new episode of the video blogging. For the first time in about 18 months, I am right now at the airport at Charles de Gaulle in Paris and almost on my way to Venice in Italy, because I'm going to cover the guitar show which is going to take place in Padova, 1 hour bus ride from Venice. So I think the guitar show in Padova is going to hold his, I think it is the third or fourth edition, something like that. So obviously it did not happen last year, but I can't wait to be back on the road and to cover this event and to discover the event with you. One hour and 40 minutes later, here we are in Venice, Italia. We are going to take the bus to go to Padova. It's about a 50-minute ride to downtown Padova. Here I am in Padova. I am with the one and only Luca Friso, who is the organizer of this incredible event. Luca, how are you doing today?
It's a very hard day.
Yeah.
Really hard month, last month,
yeah.
Because we organized the guitar show in 45 days.
Yeah, which is pretty short to organize a guitar show.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
congratulations. I
Thank
think
you.
as we just discussed before, it is going to be my first guitar show in 18 months.
Yeah.
And I think it's about the same for everybody who is coming here.
Everybody here say the same thing,
Yeah.
because all exhibitors, artists, 8 months at home.
Yeah,
And,
yeah.
it is the first situation for everybody else to play, meet. And,
Yeah, that's great.
yeah.
How many exhibitors do you have here for this edition?
96.
96,
96.
And it is a big brand, but also builders and guitars, amp, accessories.
All.
Okay.
We have artisans
Okay.
for guitars,
Yeah.
amplifiers, pedals,
Yeah.
Italian distributors.
Yeah.
And well, we have Oshino, Ibanez, also
Yeah, all the big brands too.
all the big
That's cool.
brands, yes. And I think the fair is complete.
Okay,
It's
excellent.
complete. We have event program.
Okay, so you have concert and stuff like that, and demonstration.
Eight hours for day and 3 concerts this
tonight,
evening,
Friday,
Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think on Sunday it's going to be a very big day for Italia. Do you think you're going to win the Euro soccer game against England?
Everybody in Italy, we are very, very. I don't know. I don't say anything.
You have to say something. Forza Italia.
Forza
Let's go.
Italia.
Yeah,
Forza Italia.
Luca, it was great to be able to meet you. I'm super happy to be there. So thank you very much for putting
I'm
up
happy
this event.
to have you here.
And I hope to do some cool video coverage for the show. Congratulations and good
Thank
luck
you very much
for the show.
Thank you.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
So this was a quick interview with Luca Friso, the organizer of the show. It was great to be able to do this quick interview with him in the middle of the incredible work he still has to do to fine-tune. For the price of a magazine, subscribe to The Guitar Channel to access the full videos.